So let's get going and understand the concept behind adding and subtracting of these recurring decimals. So for this, I'm going to take the first example and I'll show you all the steps, okay? So you need to watch the first example very carefully to understand the subsequent ones, which are going to be a little bit more complicated. And if you want the complete ebook of short tricks, then you can send me a message on WhatsApp 9896369963. That is the WhatsApp number. I'll tell you how to get that nominal costing ebook of short tricks, the amazing content. Right. So what is the first question? I'm going to take up 71.43 with a bar over 3. So 3 is repeating here. And I want to subtract 27.6 with a bar. Right? Now, how do you subtract these numbers? So I'll just get rid of these lines so that you don't get confused. Yeah. So this is the subtraction problem which I want to do now. So what am I going to do is, I am going to separate out these two numbers into three different parts. Now watch. The first part, the number before the decimal here is 71, and we have a number after decimal which doesn't have the bar over it, right? Whereas this is a pure recurring decimal, because after decimal everything is repeating. Here this is a mixed recurring decimal. So this 4 doesn't repeat, only the 3 is repeating. So in this number 71.4 is not going to repeat. So this has more digits which are not repeating. So I will write 71.4 on the left, and then below this I am going to write 27 point below the point obviously, and then I will write one digit from this repeating part, 6. I hope you understand why I wrote 4 here, because 4 is not repeating. So we have to check which number contains the greater number of decimal places which are not repeating. So here one digit is not repeating, here everything is repeating. So I have written 4, and then therefore I have to take one digit from here also. Now the number of decimal places which are repeating, here you can see one digit is repeating, here also you can see one digit is repeating. The LCM of 1 and 1, the number of repeating digits or the recurring digits, the LCM 1 and 1, the LCM is 1 only. So I will write one digit in the middle here. So 71.43 and then 27.66666 repeats, right? So 6. See, the number has to continue. 71.43, 27.66. Why did I stop here? Because the LCM of 1 and 1, one digit and one digit is one digit. So I have to write one digit in the middle part. In the last part, I have to write two digits by default. So 71.43, what is the number? 71.43333. So up to 3 I have written, so I will write 2 more 3's here. I have to write 2 digits by default in the last part. And here 27.66666 repeats itself, so I will write 66 here, and then I will put the horizontal line and do the traditional difference. Now I will be subtracting them. So if you subtract them, you get 13 minus 6, which is 7, 12 minus 6, which is 6, 12 minus 6, which is 6, and then we have this 13, right? So 13 minus 6, which is 7, and then the decimal, and then this is 10 minus 7, 3, and then 6 minus 2, 4. Now what is the answer? The answer, just ignore this part and write this part 43.7, and the middle part will be your recurring part. So the answer for the question is 43.76 bar. That means 43.766666 is the difference of these two recurring decimals. I hope you have understood at least 50 to 60% of what I have done here, why I have taken these many digits here, why only one digit in the middle, and why two digits here. I'll take one more question, okay? I'll move to addition now. So the question is, 189, and in the decimal part I have 143, and all three are repeating. Okay. In the second part we have 62 point, so I'm going to add 62.573, and only the 3 is repeating, right? So watch out the question now. So in this number you can see that we have 62.57, two digits which are not repeating. Here there is nothing after decimal which is not repeating. So the higher number of non-repeating digits are in this number. So I will write 62.57 on the left hand side, and here also I have to take two digits now. So this becomes 189.14. Now in the middle, the LCM of 3 and 1, the repeating number of repeating digits, 3 and 1 is 3. So I will take 3 digits. 189.14314331. Two digits here. That is by default. And 3 digits here, 62.57. 3 is repeating, right? So 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. And now I have to do the addition. So let's do the addition. This is 4. This is 6, which forms the last part. This is 7, this is 4, this is 6, which forms the middle part. This is 11, 1 carry means 7, point, 11 means 1 carry means 15, 5, 1 carry means 2. So here we have the sum. Now forget the last part. Write 251.71, that is non-recurring part, and the recurring part is 647, which will be under the bar. And pick up the calculators and check. This problem will have the sum 251.71, 647, 647, 647, and so on. Now that's how it works, and this is the shortest method for this. Now I'll take two more questions. See, here we have a difference problem. So how many non-recurring digits? 78.50 and 9.324. So here we have greater number of digits which are non-recurring after decimal. So I will write 9.324, and here I will write 78.501. So 3 digits. In the middle I have to write how many digits? The LCM of 2 and 1 is 2. So 2 digits. So 78.5016 and then 1616. So 161. And then 9.324, two digits, 9999. Carry out the subtraction now. You will get, this is 11 minus 9, 2, and then this is 6, followed by this is 1 again, and this is 6. Then we have here 6 and 7 and 1 and 69. So 69.176 and 6162. Forget this. You will have the answer. 69.176 are the non-recurring part, and this part 61 is the recurring part, which gives you your final answer for this particular question. Likewise, suppose you have to add these big numbers now. So how do we tackle this question? Let's see. No recurring, non-recurring digits here. We have 2 non-recurring digits here and 3 here. So 3 means that is the number of digits I have to write on the left, right? So 3 digits. So first number and the middle number 0.007. So 007, and the first one is 23.434. And now I need to see how many digits should I write in the middle. 2 recurring, 1 recurring, and 1 recurring. So LCM of 2, 1, 1 is 2. So I'll write 2 digits in the middle. 23.43434, right? 0.007777, 291.0505555. Now I need to perform the addition. 7 plus 4, 11, 16, 6, 1 carry. 10, 11, 16, 6 and 1 carry. 11, 12, 17, 7 and a 1 carry, 10, 11, 16, 6 and a 1 carry, 11, 12, 2 and a 1 carry, and then 4 and 5, 9, and then this is 4, point, 3 plus 1, 4, 9 plus 2, 11, 1 carry and a 3. So what is the answer? 314.492. This is the recurring part, 6, 7 with a bar, and this is to be ignored. And your answer for the question is 314.49267 bar. Even if you understand 80 to 90% of this when I am demonstrating it, it is enough, and the remaining part will come with practice. Very, very important method, very exclusive, because you hardly find these type of videos on YouTube. And if you like it, do share it with all your WhatsApp groups so that everybody can enjoy these amazing things concerned with mathematics and quant exams. Do share it surely, and do comment here whether you liked it or not. And practice is a must. So all the best for your practice. Only 3 is repeating, and here